Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Today is Sunday the 16th of February. So for those of you who had a happy Valentine, we did as well, didn't we?
Yeah, I took you out for a meal the day before.
You did.
I even got you to pay.
I think I did pay.
You did.
Mm.
Clever.
Anyway, we have some news. We've always got news, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's not bad news today though, is it?
It's a bit better news.
It's a bit different.
It's sad news, but it's happy news.
Yeah. Okay, guess we should tell you. Do you know, our car is absolutely filthy. We should put that through the car wash at some point.
Well, we could wash it as well.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
I'll just buy you a bucket for Christmas.
Yeah, you bought me a bucket.
And a sponge.
So yes, today we have some news. We have to say goodbye to something, don't we?
We do.
I don't know whether I can see you because I can't see what I'm doing.
Well, I'm shy.
Today we are dismantling the summer house.
We are.
So we have obviously decided not to get any more hens.
For now.
For now, yes. But should we get any more hens, there is two or three sites in the garden that we've identified we can put them. So the summer house, which has been a feature of our garden for
A lot of years.
at least 14, 15 years.
Can't remember how many years.
Well, we have to take it down today. So that is what we're doing. So yeah, this summer house has been a part of our life for a long time. It was second hand when we got it, wasn't it?
It was at least second hand.
It was, you got paid with it.
I did. Uh-huh.
Martin went and did a gardening job for somebody, and instead of paying us, they gave us the summer house.
It was a good deal.
It was a good deal, and it's been a brilliant summer house. Latterly, it's been used as a chicken run, obviously. But now it's time to say goodbye.
Yeah.
Goodbye, summer house. Thank you for everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We're not quite sure how we're going to do this. We've borrowed next door's whizzy electric screwdriver.
Yeah.
We've got a sledgehammer.
Take the windows off first.
We're going to take the windows and doors off first. Some of the run is already down. It's sitting behind us. We have been doing that during the week. Well, Martin's been doing it, and I've got some wire cutters to just take that off, dismantle the run and take that off there. But yeah, other than taking all the screws out and bashing it with a sledgehammer, which is currently our plan, we don't know if it'll work.
This is probably going to be a video on how not to demolish a summer house, because we ain't got a Scoobies what we're doing.
No.
So as long as it doesn't fall on top of us, we've done a good job.
We've been alright, yeah. Plan is to take all the screws out from the inside, then take all the screws out from the outside and bash it with hammer, innit?
Well, my idea would be to take the roof off first so it didn't fall on top of us. You know, I thought that might be a good idea.
We are complete amateurs, you know that. Let's see how we get on. So, going inside, it is empty. Martin's been emptying it during the week. So we are going to take this automatic door off and possibly give it to a friend of ours who has her own chickens. So yeah, we will see how we get on. The glass from the doors, I've a friend that does stained glass. She goes around repairing church windows and that sort of thing, and she's absolutely brilliant at it. So I'm going to offer the glass panes to her in the first instance before we get rid of them if she doesn't want them. So yeah, that's what's going to happen to the glass. But anyway, we are going to make a start. Wish us luck. the slight problem. This thing is absolutely solid. It's so well built. We can't push it down. So change of plan. We're going to try and saw it down. Not only that, it's sleeting as well now. We will get this shed down, one way or another. So Martin's gone next door to borrow his his electric saw. Look at him. That's right. That's Rambo.
Subtlety.
Subtlety.
My best form.
Do you think it'll work?
We'll find out. No, maybe it won't.
Maybe it won't. Oh no.
Ready? Just keep an eye on if there's movement of the roof.
Seriously, how the hell this thing is still standing? I don't know. We've thrown everything at it. Martin's gone to look for a rope now to try and pull it. It's not giving up without a fight. There she blows.
Nope. You're not that heavy, love. See, I told you, you're not that heavy.
Oh.
It's a seesaw.
Seesaw.
Hey, just like a little kiddie.
Oh, I'm balancing it down there. Or I could be surfing.
Well, try and jump. No, on both sides together.
No.
Okay.
Right, so we've lifted the floor up. And you can see we put it onto a base. You can just see there a little burrow type thing. I don't know if I can find it on the camera. There it is. So I'm wondering whether something did actually burrow underneath and come out and get in that way, because there seems to be another hole this side as well. So I'm wondering if that isn't how this little critter that got my hands got in. It's burrowed underneath and gone into the run that way. I'm pretty sure that's how it got in. Steve's got the right idea. Steve's watching us from a nice warm window. Hey Steve. Always keeping an eye, aren't you, darling? Well, my goodness, what a change from this morning. This view is that we've got now in our garden. It wasn't coming down without a fight, was it?
Oh no, it's going to have a good fight.
It put up a good fight.
Who's going to lose though?
It was put up really well in the first place, love. Well done.
Oh, thank you.
So I'm just going to swing this round, and now you can see what we're looking at. A very changed view from first thing this morning. It's really changed perspective, isn't it?
Yeah, we've still got a lot to do with it.
We have still got a lot to do.
As the sleeping starts coming down.
Yeah, it is sleeting and snowing, and but we're a bit tired. We've had enough. Freezing cold, aren't we?
There you are, yeah.
Yeah, and
I got my heated. What?
yeah, I bought you a heated jacket.
Yeah. Didn't buy yourself one.
No, I didn't buy myself one.
Oh, yeah. Kiss me for. Right. Hello.
You're not in the frame.
Oh.
Oh, there you are.
Hello. Goodbye now.
So that's it. We've taken down our lovely summer house. Yes, we do have plans. No, we're not going to tell you. You will have to subscribe and watch a future video to find out what we are doing with this space. Isn't that right?
Yes. Indeed.
In the meantime, going in for a cup of tea. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
Bye now.